Get ready for a fashion extravaganza as we take you on a journey through the world's most stylish events, from the Olympics to the Super Bowl, and discover the latest trends, must-haves, and celebrity fashion moments. The Milan Cortina Olympics opening ceremony celebrated Italian culture and creativity with performances by Mariah Carey and tributes to Italian designers, artists, and icons. The ceremony included a parade of nations with athletes dressed in warm winter gear and a theme of harmony and unity. The Super Bowl 2026 saw NFL players and their WAG stepping up their fashion game with highlights including Stefon Diggs' design of tunnel fit, Tommy DeVito's fuzzy brown Columbia jacket, and the rise of the Goyard unicorn bat among players. Fanatics offers official Seahawks Super Bowl LX Champions apparel, and the best Seahawks merchandise is available for purchase. Francois, Arnaud, Queen Latifah, and Teyana Taylor attended the Thom Browne show at the GQ Bowl 2026, showcasing the designer's latest collection. The event brought together fashion enthusiasts and celebrities alike, highlighting the intersection of style and entertainment. The Ulster Museum has rebuilt its historic fashion collection 50 years after a devastating fire. The Ashes to Fashion exhibition showcases 120 objects, including the Lennox quilt, a rare stumpwork embroidery casket, and modern pieces like a Chanel haute couture suit worn by Christy Turlington. Bollywood celebrities have been making waves with their fashion choices. Malavika Mohanan wore a custom black corset look, while Bajaj Mood opted for an Anarkali dress. Manish Koirala turned to Chandari silk and statement jewels for an ethnic evening. Deepika Padukone stunned in a sculpted black outfit and a RS-22 core Cartier necklace. Neeta Ambani shone in a sparkling orange saree and diamond jewels at a wedding. Pomellato has announced Philippine Leroy-Beaulieu as its newest global ambassador. The French-Italian actress discusses her role, individuality, and freedom, as well as her experiences as an actor and her French-Italian heritage. Bad Bunny's minimalist outfits at the Super Bowl halftime show were a celebration of culture and music, not a statement. He wore Zara, a Spanish fast fashion retailer, and his outfits were not his Puerto Rican heritage. The stylist, Farah Saidi, had prepared a custom design, but Zara won the bid, highlighting the brand's accessibility and global recognition. Robbie's promotional tour for Wuthering Heights features a masterclass in method dressing, blending Victorian mourning rituals, Baroque opulence, and witch occult. She wears custom designs from top designers, showcasing a range of styles from theatrical alchemy to monastic chic. American Eagle has named country star Ella Langley as the new face of its denim campaign, Denim Darling. Langley shares her love for American Eagle jeans, which her mom bedazzled for her. The brand launched its new ad campaign following criticism over its previous campaign featuring Sydney Sweeney. Sabrina Impacciatore, an Italian actress, performed in the Olympic opening ceremony, showcasing an array of costumes and musical numbers spanning a century of past Olympics. She wore a shining silver and gold outfit, paying tribute to her home country and the Olympics. Kelsea Ballerini made a stylish appearance at the Carolina Herrera knitwear show, marking her first outing since her split from Chase Stokes. The singer joined other celebrities like Abigail Cowan, Ariana DeBose, and Lola Condor at the event, showcasing the latest fashion trends from the iconic brand. Mariah Carey dazzled the audience at the 2026 Winter Olympics opening ceremony with her powerful vocals and breathtaking fashion. Her custom-designed gown and feathered cape sparkled under the lights, featuring over 300 carats of diamonds worth $15 million. Knowles was honored at the 15% Pledge Gala for her commitment to black entrepreneurship and creative talent. Celebrities like Meghan Markle attended the event, wearing stunning outfits that honored black culture and creativity. Hailey Bieber returns as a global face of teen eye for spring, starring in a new campaign set in downtown New York's 1960s art scene. She wears looks from the latest collection, including a trench and denim shirt, tailored pants, and a naked dress. Snoop Dogg, the honorary coach for Team USA at the Winter Olympics, has been making a fashion statement with his bold and flamboyant outfits. He's worn a full-length white fluffy coat, fire-engine red hat and gloves, and a zip jacket with Team USA players' faces, among other stylish ensembles. Alyssa Lee, a figure skater, brings a fresh look to the Milan Cortina Olympics with a smiley piercing and bleached hair. She has rediscovered her love for skating and now chooses her own training outfits and has more control over her designs, reflecting her personal style. Camila Cabello has shared an update on her hair health 2 years after bleaching her locks. She is seeking advice from fans on how to maintain healthy hair after using bleach, sharing her own experiences and tips. Khaki pants are a must-have for spring, and we're sharing tips on how to style them. Meanwhile, jeans with heels are a bold fashion choice, and we're exploring its impact. Utility kilts for men are also gaining popularity, offering comfort and practicality. And Marks & Spencer's new denim collection is a must-see, with 20 styles to choose from. Get the latest fashion trends and styling tips to upgrade your wardrobe. The Indian intimate wear industry is undergoing a significant transformation, driven by women's desire for comfort and functionality. Wireless and seamless bras have become increasingly popular, offering support without underwires and seams. Brands like Underneath are at the forefront of this change, providing options that cater to Indian women's unique needs and preferences. Celebrity hairstylist Gustav Fauché shares his guide to styling hair in each decade from 20s to 60s. Halle Berry and Kate Hudson debut new hairstyles, while Megan Thee Stallion and Emma Roberts join the short hair trend. Ivani Frosto's Chopini project pushes the boundaries of body wigs, combining traditional sewing techniques with unique designs. New York Fashion Week Fall 2026 is approaching, with designers like Rachel Scott, Dena, and Maria Grazer debuting their sophomore collections. American brands like Ralph Lauren and Coach will also showcase their designs, bucking the luxury slowdown trend. Expect runway shows from Browne Schooler, Coach, Tory Burch, Gucci, Fendi, and more. Ralph Lauren's Fall 2026 collection combines romantic adventure with metallic flair, featuring luxurious toned fabrics, metallic detailing, and elegant high-neck blouses. The show took place during New York Fashion Week, with celebrity guests and models walking the runway in opulent rugs. FTCI India Men's Weekend 2026 in Jaipur featured designers like Nikita M. Hazelkar, Ashish Soni, and Rajesh Pratap Singh presenting their menswear collections. The event highlighted the importance of creativity, narrative, and craftsmanship in fashion. Kate Middleton's fashion choices are a testament to her timeless style. From brown skinny jeans with hiking boots to elegant midi dresses, she consistently showcases a classic and comfortable look. Her ability to mix and match pieces from different designers and brands has resulted in a wardrobe that is both stylish and practical. Kaylee Cuoco and Taylor Swift both carry the Alpen Nirvana handbag, a trendy and affordable option under £500 sterling. Home Bargains has released a £6 sterling handbag almost identical to a £120 sterling Longchamp option. Radley has launched a major sale, with handbags starting at £34 sterling 50 pence. Amazon's V-Day Gen Z edit features affordable and stylish handbags for women. Ralph Lauren's design stole their show at the 2026 Winter Olympics in Milan, with Team USA aerialists expressing excitement about their attire. The designer created tailored winter white wool coats with throwback wooden toggles for the team. Other fashion highlights included Mongo's Beyond Performance exhibit and Amani Hotel's Bamboo Bar. Coach's Fall 2026 ready-to-wear collection, inspired by American punk, debuted at New York Fashion Week. The collection includes repurposed denim, patchwork shorts, and leather accents, with a focus on youth counterculture, sustainability, and vintage elements. U.S. Polo Ascent has reopened its experiential Usper shop flagship at the Usper National Polo Center in Wellington, Florida. This shop features a reimagined retail destination with refined visuals, immersive activations, and a best-in-class assortment of apparel and accessories. Nike is developing Project Amplify, a bionic sneaker that uses digital technology to increase human mobility. This shoe features a carbon fiber plate, 3D printed titanium leg shells, and a battery-powered system controlled through a phone app. The goal is to help everyday athletes move farther and faster with greater confidence. Bushat and the White Company are set to open new stores at Lakeside Shopping Centre and the Trafford Centre in 2026. Bushcast's 12,500 SQFD store will offer fashion items, while the White Company's 5,000 SQFD store will sell clothing, home goods, and more. Nike has kicked off 2026 with a bang, introducing a range of new sneaker collections. The LeBron 23, Giannis Freak 7 Ignition, and Cosmic Runner GS are just a few of the models that have hit the market. With their unique designs and colorways, these shoes are sure to be a hit with sneakerheads and fashion enthusiasts alike. Kim Kardashian's shapewear and clothing brand, Skims, has opened its first store in Chicago's Gold Coast neighborhood. The 6,500 square foot store features limited edition collaborations and Chicago exclusive merchandise. The store will have exclusive drops throughout the year. Eddie Bauer, a pioneer in outdoor sportswear, has filed for Chapter 11 bankruptcy protection due to declining sales, supply chain challenges, and inflation. The brand will continue to operate its retail and outlet stores but will close some locations. Bangladesh's garment industry is set to benefit from a reduced US tariff, while India's textile sector is expected to gain from a free trade agreement with the EU. The deals aim to enhance competitiveness in exports, making Bangladesh and India preferred sourcing destinations for global buyers. Frantescus, a women's specialty retailer, has filed for Chapter 11 bankruptcy protection and launched nationwide store closing sales. The sales offer discounts of 25–40% off sweaters, blouses, denim jackets, and jewelry, among other products. The company will sell discounted merchandise at all its 457 locations. Thrift stores like Modify Thrift in Harlem and Savers and Sioux Falls are revolutionizing the way we think about fashion. By offering unique, high-quality, and affordable second-hand clothing options, these stores promote sustainability and community. With prices starting from $30, customers can find a full wardrobe transformation, and the store's commitment to reuse is a major draw. Fashion enthusiasts can make a significant difference in reducing carbon emissions by adopting sustainable habits. Buying second-hand clothes, such as jeans, instead of new ones can avoid 1.5 billion pounds of carbon dioxide. This collective effort can lead to significant emissions reductions, making a positive impact on the environment. As spring approaches, comfortable and stylish footwear is essential. Sofia Vergara promotes Skechers slip-ins featuring engineered jacquard knit upper and arch-fit insole for support. Helen Skelton showcases Langley boots, made from grained and embossed leather with rubber lug sole for durability. Opera-approved Vivair shoes offer comfortable, sustainable, and breathable designs for ballet flats. Whether running errands or attending events, these shoes ensure comfort and style. Get ready for a fashion extravaganza as we take you on a journey through the world's most stylish events, from the Olympics to the Super Bowl, and discover the latest trends, must-haves, and celebrity fashion moments. Get ready for a fashion extravaganza as we take you on a journey through the world's most stylish event, from the Olympics to the Super Bowl, and discover the latest trends, must-haves, and celebrity fashion moments.